Hey guys, so today we're going to be making this adorable snowman using supplies from the Dollar Tree. So let's get right on into it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 2 glass bowls and you're going to rub them down with some rubbing alcohol on the inside as well as the outside. Once you've done that, you're going to take some white acrylic paint, and I'm going to grab a foam paintbrush, but you're going to paint the inside of your glass bowls. Just make sure that you apply the paint liberally and evenly, as this is the base of our snowman and we want it to look very, very cute. Once you've done all of your paint, the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab a paper towel and just clean up the edges of your bowl. Set them aside to dry. And once they're dry, you're going to take some E6000 and you're going to line the rim of your bowl with the E6000, and this is what's going to be holding our 2 bowls together. So make sure you put a good amount. So go ahead, once you have the E6000, and push the 2 bowls together and let them dry. Once they've dried, we're going to take our snowman face. This is one I've cut out of adhesive vinyl, and I'm just going to go ahead and go over it with my transfer tape and apply the snowman face to the top bowl to wherever you think it looks cute. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to grab a little hat for the little snowman. So this is actually a Christmas ornament that I just cut the little string off of, and I'm going to apply E6000 to it, and I'm going to glue this to the top of my snowman. And as you can see, he's looking really cute, but he sure does need a scarf. So I'm going to take some red ribbon and tie it around his neck. And if you can make a bow, go right on for it. But I personally do not make really good bows. So I'm going to show you my little workaround for how to make a bow if you're like me. So my workaround is to take a piece of red ribbon and tie a knot right in the middle. Then what I do is I take each end and I make a loop. Now trim it off as you need, but just go ahead and make a loop with each end. Then what I do is I kind of fluff up each edge, and I'll show you the bottom here, and I glue it together right there. And then what I do is I take this whole thing that I just made and glue it to the one I just tied around his neck, and voila, that is how I make my bows. Here he is. Here is our finished product, our little snowman. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Merry Christmas and thank you for watching.